I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You should open the presentation that will keep the unique style and also open or locate the source theme. Once done, check View Slide Master so you understand layouts and placeholders. This prevents broken content. Make sure you know which slide index or layout you will change. You'll also want the source theme available in a separate file or theme folder. This quick setup saves time because applying a theme to one slide requires referencing templates rather than global changes. You will import the theme into the target file's slide master. Go to Themes or browse for themes and load the source. Then duplicate an existing master layout and apply the imported theme to that duplicate so other slides remain untouched. Once duplicated, modify colors, fonts, and placeholder positions to match the new aesthetic. This ensures consistent behavior for just the chosen slide. Make sure you save the master changes. They won't affect slides until you assign the specific layout. Now select the single slide you want styled and right-click to choose Layout, then pick the custom master layout you prepared. You'll see the theme applied only to that slide. Adjust text and images to fit the placeholders so nothing is clipped. If something looks off, reset the slide to the layout or reapply the custom layout. Corrupt placeholders sometimes need a fresh assignment. Finally, save a copy of the presentation so you can revert if the theme integration creates unexpected layout shifts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.